news coming in. This is, remember, the political rhetoric and the remarks and counter remarks that are on. Lalu Prasad Yadav, is he batting for Muslim reservation that BJP says is unconstitutional, based on religion, cannot have such a reservation? But Lalu Prasad Yadav, and remember, coming from a state where he has held sway on caste politics for a very long time, Lalu Prasad Yadav says Muslims should get full quota. Lalu Prasad Yadav, the RJD patriarch, says, accusing the BJP of bid to abolish the constitution. He's saying that the BJP, if it comes and returns to power again, they will abolish the constitution. Let's listen in to Lalu Prasad Yadav.
डर के मारे इतना डर गए हैं कि आरक्षण के पक्षधर है ना, वो तो संविधान को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, लोकतंत्र को खत्म करना चाहते हैं। ये इस बात को जनता के जहन में शायद बात आ गई है कि इस तरह की बात बदल रिजर्वेशन तो मिलना चाहिए मुसलमानों को।
So let's immediately go across to Bihar on the ground, where joining me from Jhanjharpur is Aditya Vaibhav. Aditya, clearly caste politics aside, religious politics coming in with regard to the Muslim quota that has been such a strong point this election season. What exactly did Lalu Prasad Yadav say, and is precisely that's going to be the India bloc line as well?
Well, exactly, Pooja. As far as RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav is concerned, of course, he means no words as he vouched for reservations for Muslims. Not mincing words, he categorically said that the Muslim community must get reservations, and this comes on the backdrop of the statements, or you can say allegations, being leveled by Prime Minister Modi on the opposition that they actually want to restrict or curtail the reservations that is actually scheduled for scheduled castes, tribes and other backward castes and communities, and the opposition is actually willing or interested in actually allowing the Muslim communities a reservation quota in the same. So this is something that has triggered response from the opposition, and the latest comment on this comes from none other than RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav, who categorically vouched for reservations for people from Muslim communities. Pooja.
Stay on with me, Aditya. Let's listen in again to what Lalu Prasad Yadav specifically say when he was asked a question with this Muslim quota that's become such an election point for as we head into phase 3. Listen in to Lalu Prasad Yadav.
भड़का रहे हैं, डर के मारे इतना डर गए हैं कि भड़का रहे। आरक्षण के पक्षधर है ना, वो तो संविधान को खत्म करना चाहते हैं, लोकतंत्र को खत्म करना चाहते हैं। ये इस बात को जनता के जहन में शायद बात आ गई है कि इस तरह की बात बदल रिजर्वेशन तो मिलना चाहिए मुसलमानों को।
So he has also said that the Bharatiya Janata Party is in complete fear and that the Muslim community should get the quota, should get the reservation. Remember, the quotas specifically are for underprivileged groups, OBCs, Dalits, not exactly religion-based, while in Karnataka, that's where the big issue had erupted from. I want to bring in our guests immediately here. Raghav Avasthi, political analyst, has been associated with the Bharatiya Janata Party as well, and also Rashid Kidwai, senior journalist, author, and of course has tracked the political field for decades. Raghav, first to you. So BJP, according to Lalu Prasad Yadav also, will be now ending the constitution, disrupting everything if it returns to power, and quota is necessary for the Muslims, says Lalu Prasad.
I think the BJP never said that it would be abolishing the constitution. Mr. Modi has repeatedly said that the constitution is his holy book. But we need to be very careful in analyzing what Mr. Yadav has said. Mr. Yadav is saying very clearly, unequivocally, and he seems to be a very close ally of Rahul Gandhi, and he is saying that the quota that is available to SCs, STs and OBCs under the constitutional scheme will be given to the Muslims of this country. So I think there is cause for alarm. He basically wants to subvert the rights guaranteed by the constitution to almost 70 to 80% of our population. So I think this is something that's very serious. And it betrays the intention, of the India Alliance. And recently there was a controversy over some ads that the BJP Karnataka X-handle had released. And now it is clear that those ads are actually very accurate in describing as to what will happen if the India Alliance comes to power.
How has this Muslim quota that has become such a huge point, and now Lalu Prasad Yadav says that yes, they should get it, while the BJP says you cannot have it, it's unconstitutional.
Pooja, I think Lalu Prasad's remarks are being, misinterpreted very clearly. He said there should be reservation for Muslim being Pasmanda Muslim, and that is the stand of the BJP. That is the stand of Mandal Commission, and that is being practiced in several states. In Mandal Commission, there are several castes are there on the grounds of their economic status. Some of the Muslim castes are also getting benefit of reservation. This was there till the last day. I mean, towards the fag end of Bombay government. When BJP was in power, BJP did not stop from 1977 to 2023. The reservation for Muslim backwards continued.
So not for the whole community, but for a underprivileged section.
Pooja, there are some misnomers are there about, first of all, reservation policy is not, cast in stone. It was supposed to be a temporary measure. It comes for review after every, 10, 20, 30 years. And this will come on review in 2029
and should that
also.
be evaluated constantly?
Absolutely.
Raghav, I'll just come to, because joining us on the phone line is also Guru Prakash from the BJP. Guru Prakash, because you're from the state and you understand how the reservations benefit certain groups, what if more groups and more communities are added to it? When Lalu Prasad Yadav says it should go to the Muslim community, and BJP, if they return to power, they will completely abolish the constitution.
I think Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav's politics is surviving on false accusations. Mr. Lalu Yadav sadly has zero understanding of Constitution of India. Let me make this very clear. Reservation in the form of religion is unconstitutional, period. No reservation can be done on the lines of religion. Reservation in our Constitution has also been categorically mentioned as socially, educationally backward classes. And it has been determined time and again. But the Congress party, but the entire leadership of the India Alliance, in the quest of minority appeasement, Mr. Lalu Yadav is no one but a gross face of minority appeasement in Indian politics today. The Congress party, I was listening to the previous individual who was speaking about it, the Congress party has extended reservation across Muslim communities with higher socio-economic indicators. The Congress party committed the same sin in Andhra Pradesh as well. We have made sure Prime Minister Modi has gone on record and said, as long as Prime Minister is alive, jab tak Pradhan Mantri jeevit hai, no one can dare to take the rightful share of SC, ST and OBC. Jab tak Pradhan Mantri jeevit hai, SC, OBC ka hissa koi nahi le sakta hai.
So that means that there will be a certain group that should be eligible given the situation with regard to the community groups as well. And thank you very much for now, as our colleagues continue to bring us and expert views on that.